Take your seat, pick up the pieces of papers. And sit down properly. So, I have here a short motivation for you to be motivated. So, the instruction is just arrange the jumbled letters and come in front of your hand. Okay, start. Okay, are you done?
Yes,
What's the volunteer first?
sir.
Yes, Maybe. What's the word?
Freezing.
Okay, very good. The other one. Micah.
I believe, sir, this is a drying.
Yes, very good. Okay, take your seat. We'll start to our main topic. I have here, let's have an activity first. All you can, all you need to do is identify the pictures and give the specific name of the pictures. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, class, what's the volunteer first?
Sir.
Yes, Marjorie. What's that?
Feeling, sir. Feeling.
Yeah. Other one, maybe.
Smoky.
Another, Micah.
Freezing, sir.
Then,
Drying.
as you can see, this is Tony. So, okay, class, all of your answers are correct. So, what's this?
Smoky.
This one?
Freezing.
Crying.
Salty.
Chilling. So, class, from that activity, do you have an idea? What do you think our lesson for today? Anyone?
Sir,
Yes, maybe.
I think our lesson today is fish preservation.
Yes, correct. Okay, class, our lesson for today is all about the principles of fish preservation. Anyone who has an idea about the principles of fish preservation? No one? No one, sir. Can you explain it, sir? Okay. So, who wants to read? Who wants to read first? Yes, Joshua.
So for introduction, food preservation can be defined as a process of treating and handling food in such a way as to stop or greatly slow down spoilage and prevent foodborne illness while retaining nutritional values, texture, and flavor.
Okay, so what you have read, what you have understood, or any insights?
So sir, when you say food preservation, as you can see as whatever there is handling for food such as treating spoilage and foodborne. And those maintain the nutritional values, textures, and flavor.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. So, food preservation can be prevent food from spoilage and to extend the shelf life of fish. On the other hand, what's the read? Yes, Marjorie.
Sir, I want to volunteer.
Another hand. which principles of fish preservations are including the chilling, the freezing, and smoking, drying, and salting. So the first one is chilling. One to read. Another one. Marjorie.
Chilling. Chilling is a process by which temperature of the corn is lowered to a point near physical down, but not below by means of heat withdrawal. The freezing point for different species varies between 0.6 and 2.0 Celsius, depends on the definition of the cell units.
So chilling, alam mo naman ang ibig sabihin ng chilling, di ba? To chill fish. Or pwede din yung crab ice ilagay sa isda para ma-maintain yung freshness. Yes. That's an example of chilling. The next one. Oh, that's a picture. Next one is freezing. Wants to read. Another,
I want to ask, sir,
Yes, Joshua.
what's the difference between the freezing and the chilling? Is, same lang po ba sila nakalagay sa ice or ngayon po sir, sa chilling?
Yes, same lang sila lalagay sa ice. Pero yung chilling is para yung crab ice, yung para ilagay sa isda, para ma-maintain yung freshness niya. Or pwede din ilagay sa refrigerator. Or another, on the other hand, freezing is yung nilalagay talaga sa freezer, yung piniprease siya para maging matigas.
Thank you, sir.
Okay? So, one spirit pala.
Sir,
Yes.
so freezing. Freezing, wrap the fish in moisture, vapor-resistant paper or place in freezer bags, label and freeze. Water, place fish in a shallow metal or foil or plastic pan, cover with water and freeze. To prevent evaporation of the ice, wrap the container in freezer paper after it is frozen, label and freeze.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. So, freezing, nasa ko na kanina, di ba? So, gets naman yung freezing.
Yes, sir.
Yan yung example. Next one is curing. What's curing? Curing. Laika.
Curing or drying, salting, and smoking. Curing reduces water activity through the addition of chemicals such as salt, sugar, or acid. Drying. The drying process has traditionally been carried out by hanging the fish on wooden racks. Salting, either with dry salt or with rain, right? Was the only widely available method of preserving fish. Smoking. Smoking is a process of treating fish by exposing it to smoke from food or plant materials to introduce flavor, taste, and preservative ingredients into fish.
Okay, thank you, Laika. So, sa curing, we have three methods. Include dito yung drying, salting, and smoking. So, when you say drying, ano usually ginagawa pag drying?
Sir,
Yes, Joshua.
parang ano siya, nilagay siya sa sa araw.
Yes, very good. So, another. Okay, yun na. Tapos, kung talaga yung tinutuyo sa ano, di ba? Para ginagawa ng tuyo. Yes. So, the next is salty. Ano usually na, ingredients yung ginagamit sa salt?
Salt.
Salt. siya malakuha ng langaw or and to prevent it para mabuto, hindi mabulok. So, the last one is smoking. Sa smoking, ano usually na ginagamit dito? Smoke, gusto, very good. Kakalimutan. And example, lying, salty, and
Sir, I just want to ask, sir.
yes, Joshua.
Why do we need to salt the fish, sir?
Why do we need to salt the fish? Yes, we need to put salt in the fish to prevent food from spoilage, di ba? Yan sinabi ko kanina, para hindi malakuha ng lanaw at para hindi siya madaling mabulok. Gets that? Yes, sir. Okay. Okay, class? Did you understand our lesson for today?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First, let's have another action. So, anyone who volunteer for each group, please come in front. Let's use what to do is explain or give an idea or example of that assigned task that we're doing. And then,
Okay.
to maintain the portions of the okay, class, are you done? Yes. Okay, pass that activity. So, before we'll end our lesson, we will have a short quiz first. So get one portion of paper and we have five items now. Okay, number one. It is a process by which the temperature of the fish is lowered to a point near freezing but not below it by means of heat withdrawal. A. Freezing, B. Smoking, C. Drying, and D. Distilling. Okay, are you done? Number two. Drop the fish in moisture vapor resistant paper or place in freezer bags, label and case. A. Chilling, B. Smoking, D. Drying, and C. Freezing. Okay, next, number three. It is reduces water activity through the addition of chemicals such as salt, sugars, or acid. A. Freezing, B. Chilling, C. Curing, or D. Salty. So what's number are we? 5. Okay, number 5. Give at least 2 types of fish preservation. Okay, are you done, class?
Yes,
Please
sir.
pass it forward. Okay, class, for your assignment, please research about the importance of fish preservation in our lives. So, please class, please stand. So, that's all for today's lesson. And goodbye, class.